Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make another Jurassic World Dominion dinosaur, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw the Atrociraptor. Now, I know there's going to be a few different types, so I just went with kind of like the lighter colored one, so if you'd like me to draw more, definitely let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Atrociraptor, let's begin with the face. I'm going to start over here, and we're going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come up and down like this. Next, we're going to go down and then up for the eye. I'll make a line that's going to come up and down here. And then I'm going to make a little line that curves here, and then one that's going to curve back here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're just going to go down sharply. Next, let's bring this back, and we're going to come up and then over here for the mouth. Then we're going to bring this line out to here. Next, we're going to come down and back. We're going to come over and then bring this up for the jaw. For the head, let's start here. We'll go out and then bring this down. And we're going to make a couple more little lines that come down, just show some wrinkles. Make a line right here. And then we're going to make some small, sharp teeth on the top, and same thing on the bottom here. Little line's going to curve around for the nose. With another one, I'm going to kind of color in the nostril area. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to come down with some broken lines, kind of like a little indentation. Next, for the back, let's bring this line up and then down a little bit for the shoulder. We're going to bring this up and down again for like the back legs. And we're going to bring this up, and we're going to come down here for the tail. Starting here, let's make a couple quick little lines up for the neck. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and in. For the arm, let's bring a line down. And another line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, come to a point, and then up. Make another one that's going to come down to a point, and then up here. And one more to a point, and then we're going to bring it back. Next, we're going to come over. We're going to come to a little bit of a rounded curve, and then we're going to bring it up. We'll just connect this line here. Next, we're going to come up and then over for the stomach. And then for the back leg, let's bring this line down, and then we'll bring it all the way back to here. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We'll draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down to a point and back for that big sharp claw that the velociraptors have. We're going to bring this line out to a point, and we're going to curve it in. Then we're going to make another one that's going to come up to a point and bring it down. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then in here. Starting here, let's bring this line out and then in, and that'll kind of finish off that back leg. Let's start here at the tip of the tail. Let's make it nice and skinny, and then as we bring it closer, it's going to get bigger and bigger. Now for this other back leg, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to make a nice long angle. We'll draw this one down. And right here, let's start another line, and then let's make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go to a curved point and then come back down and up, just for that other big claw that they have. Next, let's draw a line that's going to go down to a point and back, and one more for the claws on this foot, and then we'll bring it up to here. Bring this line out. We're going to come up to here. We're going to go over, and then we're going to bring it back. That way it kind of looks like he's running. And this claw, since it's kind of ended in a weird spot, let's just kind of curve it out here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring it down. We're going to curve it to a point and back. And another one, curve it to a point, and we're going to bring it up here. Then we're going to bring it down. And this is kind of our basic shape of our Atrociraptor. Now let's come in here and add some of the different details. We'll start on the face. I'm going to bring this line up and then curve it in, just to kind of shape out the skull. We'll add a couple more little extra lines right around the eye. And some little lines kind of right around the mouth. We'll make a couple more little broken lines right along here for the stomach. And a couple little lines here just to kind of show where the ribs are going to be. We'll make a few curved lines right here. And a couple little lines here for the knee. We're also going to make some broken lines coming up. And then a little line or two right along the legs. A couple more over here. We're going to draw some little lines right across here for the claws, with a couple little lines right above or below them. Same thing here, just to kind of show where those claws are going to be. Do a couple little extra ones on here. A couple of lines over here, kind of where the elbow would be. Make a long broken line. And a couple more right along the tail. And we're going to make a couple more little lines coming up here just to show a little bit more detail by the neck. You can always add a couple little lines by the arms too. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Atrociraptor from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.